Model, 67-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive 1.6 Cdti Bi-T needs engine repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 79,918. MOT, the 2nd of September 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a misfire. Burning a bit of oil as well. We suspect it is down on compression on a cylinder or two, still starts and runs, but not evenly and smoking burning oil. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with